Alright, what we have here is a newer style 5-pin 29. Use 09 and up. This is a 08 year model TDA 2003 5-pin audio chip. They're really tight and they're stingy about dissipating the heat to it, especially off the final section. They're trying to maintain some decent wattage, but we built this one out here for a customer. It's the back control here for the squelch is variable bass. All the way down is maximum bass. To the right is rolling the bass off. Usually ends up running about 9 with most radios, most people's voice and mics. The variable power is on the Delta Tune control. And then we got a preamp. Let me cut the volume up. I got my switch muted. Alright, I got a preamp on this control here, on the channel 9 switch right there, and then hi-fi receive on the CBPA switch, so he can select between hi-fi and regular receive. Then we got echo board internal, hi-fi receive, hi-fi transmit, VFO wind up, upgraded receiver, you know, etc. But anyway, blue lights obviously. We'll check for carrier first here. Let me cut the volume down so you got to listen to all that. Just check on the DOSI first. I'm on an RMS scale, 20-watt scale. We're keying half a watt right there. From half a watt, we're coming forward to a good 17, which is pretty good, you know, output there. And then we'll see what the carrier ranges to. I'll just cut it all the way up, half a watt to almost 15 on the DOSI. So it any range. Let me cut the carrier back down. Modulate, good 17. Look on the bird here, it's a 25-watt slug. We got a little smidge over 15 bird, which is a fantastic output, especially for a 5-pin chip. It's difficult to get those numbers. And then let's see, we got our peak power here. We can check on the DOSI. DOSI is actually my tightest peak meter, believe it or not. And we're doing good solid 52. Peak looks like to me. We'll check this scale here. Tighter meter for average, but bigger slug, which will read a little looser numbers. Looks like 17 there, which of course is a little friendly. Check peak. Peak's a little friendly on this meter too. And we're doing about, I don't know, 74, 75, something like that. We'll move to a little more accurate peak scale here. Let's see. And I can use my voice, I reckon, instead of a 1000 hertz tone. We're on the peak power now, 100-watt slug, and we'll check our peak. Audio. I don't know, 62, something like that on the peak, which is good. And then check the LP 100A. Hello 1 2, check 1 2 audio. Hello 1 2 audio, check 1 2. I don't know, maybe 58. Spectrum analyzer here. Hello 1 2 audio. Hello 1 2 audio, check 1 2. It's looking good there. Hello 1 2, check 1 2. So showing some good numbers all around. I reckon we showed everything. I could show average output with this 100-watt slug. Looks like the peak's off right now, and we can check average. And yeah, it's like 18. You know, like I said, these slugs are looser when you get those larger slugs in, but you know, they got 5% tolerance. You take it off of a 100-watt slug, that's 5 watts of inaccuracy. 25-watt slug, it's only 2.5 watts of inaccuracy, so it makes sense, smaller slug to have less, oh really, actually it's a less than 2.5 watt and a quarter, I guess, inaccuracy. But anyway, yeah, doing a good solid 15 bird, great numbers. 52 peak or so, all the way around, looking good. Appreciate you, 6-pack.